here. We're gonna open your box, but you gotta come here. Come here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Whitney, and be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video of the Pupboxes, show you guys what's in it and if it's worth it and so on. But first I want to show you guys a little guest. This is Chloe. She's my pup. Look at the camera. Thank you. This is Chloe. She is 8 months, just a Yorkie. I don't think I ever really showed her on here. She's full of spunk. She's crazy. She's naughty. She can be bad. And she loves snacks. And maybe there's gonna be snacks in this Pupbox for you. So a little backstory about Pupbox. It's just a subscription box for your puppy, and you fill out like a little survey about your dog, and it just sends you out a box monthly about like their how old they are. Like she's 8 months, so this will be for like an 8-month puppy type thing. They also have like a bark box. I have not tried that. I want to say it's probably for like adults dogs, but this is just strictly for puppies. So we're going to be opening it. I have not opened it yet. It just came today. So we're going to be opening it, and the pricing of this is different for each month or like plan. Like you can do it monthly, you can do like 3 months, 6 months, a whole year. It depends on what you want for your puppy. Are you ready to open it? I need to open it first. This tape sucks. So, I ripped it. So you open it up, and it looks like this. This is her. I guess you could put like her 8 months. I don't really know. Height, weight. I don't know what this part thing is. But this is actually going to be her 3rd box. By the way, I started this in December. So, and it comes with like little card for like dental treats and stuff, like just dental health recommendations in this thing. And then it has this for brushing, and then a little thing for 8 months, which looks like it's all about puberty and maturation and adolescence, teething, dental health, and body language, and just gives you like a little tips if you don't never had like a puppy. So it's really nice to have like a guideline, and also like teach you like tricks on how to, like for 8 months it's drop it or give on command. So she knows a lot of tricks, so we normally don't really go by that. So then it gives you a little card thing to say what's in each box. So I actually have this downstairs. It's just a toothpaste, which comes like, ow, I hit my foot. It comes with a toothbrush, toothpaste, and like a little finger toothbrush, or like if it's easier, which I think is easier with little dogs. Breath. For water, you just put in your water and you don't have to really brush. Helps provide plaque and tartar defense and fresh breath for your pet when they drink from their water. So you just put a cap in their water bowl. Toy. Oh! This little goofy thing. She loves toys. And there's this, I don't even know. Oh! This little orange guy. Just getting excited. This dental chewy thing, which it says it's in spearmint. It helps satisfy chewing instinct. The dental rope helps remove plaque and tar. So, ooh, I was gonna let you guys smell it, but it does smell like spearmint. I'm guessing that's what the green stuff is. And then also treats, which is Vital Essentials Purely Raw Freeze-Dried Vital Treats for Dogs. They're duck nibs. So that is what she got this month. What'd you get? Look. Whoa. And then the robe toy. Oh, you want to play with that. We have to cut that. And then some treats. Should we try the treats? They smell weird. They look like this. Sit. Good girl. Paw? Paw? No, it's hard. Good girl. Does she like it? Does she approve? She only eats anything. Yummies. That's all we got for the Pupbox this month, and I absolutely love it because you never know what you're gonna get, and it's nice to get like a monthly present for your dog. They always look forward to it. I'm about to dig into the box right now. Oh, you want it? So on that cue, I think we're gonna go, if you want to check out Pupbox, I will definitely have a link below for you guys to check it out, sign up for your puppy, or if you want to check like Box if you have like an older dog or something like that. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.